Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Anne-nother vlog. Now, I'm going to teach you how to apply as a tutor at Course Hero. So all you have to do is to click Google and then type Course Hero and become a tutor. Okay, then click this, become an online tutor and earn money. Then you will go to this page. You will click the button. It's color pink. It says apply now. All you have to do is to start your account. In order to start your account, all you have to type is your email address. For example, my email address is this. Let me copy. Okay, it's gmail.com, and then you will type your display name and then your suggested password, and then click I'm not a robot and sign up as tutor. Okay, and then you will go to this page. You will put your first or your basic information like your first name and then your last name and then the country you live in. Like for example, my country is in the Philippines. You just type PH, okay, and then click Philippines. Above of 13, yes, I am, and your phone number. Well, this is also related if you are inside the Philippines. You just click your country. And then we're going to the next section. So this next section will be the background and expertise. For example, what is your highest level of education? What have you completed? For me, it's a bachelor's degree. You can also put here that you completed high school or select options if you're still a student. Or currently attending college. You can put that. And then, what's your professional background? For example, you are a professional tutor or a college professor or a basic education teacher. For me, I will put a professional tutor. Have you tutored before? Yes. Do you tutor on any other online platform? Yes. If your answer is yes above, what platforms do you tutor on? For example, I have 51 Talk, also QKids, and Ivy English. Okay, so for some information, this Ivy English is for Korean students. QKids is based in Hong Kong. They have US students and Chinese students, American students. to be exact. And also at 5-1 Talk, we have purely Chinese student. We should go to the next section. How did you hear about Coursera? For example, you heard it from me, from social media. And if you have a referral code, all you have to type is my referral code. So I'm gonna give you my referral code. This is my referral code. Where is it? Refer to your friends. Okay, so this one, copy the link, and then I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, I think this is my code. This one. Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna remove the excess. Okay. Alright, so select option. The option is which social media platform. For example, on YouTube. And then the next step. What are the subjects that you want to teach or you want to share with? In this platform, all you have to do is to answer simple questions or difficult question. It has simple, mediate, and difficult question, medium. You will choose here whether it's math, business, science, engineering, arts and humanities, social sciences. Okay. Alright, so for choosing the subject, be wise. If you have lots of knowledge about that subject, you choose that subject. If it doesn't have any knowledge about that, then why choose it? Okay, for me, I should choose for example, in English language. Yeah, and history. For example, music, social sciences, math, algebra. Businesses, I think. No, I don't like businesses. Or business. Health science, yeah. Cell biology, ecology, chemistry, environmental science. I think earth science is good too. 8 subject. You only have, I think these subjects are limited up to 20 subjects. Yes. Okay. World his, or let's choose one math here. For example, algebra. Social sciences, we can choose taxation, psychology, sociology, civics, international relations, yes, nursing, anatomy, last 2, physics, and astronomy. So we should click the next step. Your selected subject don't require a test. Okay. So the next one is the credentials. All you have to do is to put your certification, and you will drop here your pictures and your photos. Picture of your photo identification card. For example, you have the driver's license, the passport, and yeah. For me, I'd like to put or drop my passport because it's easier. Yeah. For example, let's put our passport here. Oh wait, I think I can put my PRC ID here. Yeah. The next One is to upload your proof of education. You can put the certificate of your college degree, or you can put your high school diploma. Or if you have your diploma in your senior high school, you can put it also. But for me, it's my college diploma, given the fact that I am already a young professional. Young professional. Charot. Where is that? Oh, it's not here. Diploma. It's in the desktop. Okay. Yeah. I thought it's here. I can find it. Oh, this one. Found it. Okay, the next one is the picture holding your photo or identification card. You can click that and then you should just put it there. You take a picture with your identification card. For example, you use your passport. Put it near your face and then take a selfie with it. Don't put blurry photos because they will not accept it. Just put a neat and bright one. Okay, I can find it. Okay, I'm going to submit it. Alright, so for example, this is my selfie. For example, it's just a sample. Or I'm gonna... I can find it. I think it's here, but it's not. I took a picture of it. I don't know where it is. Okay. Oh, I saw it. Okay, for example, I am holding my passport. Here it is. And then I'm gonna submit it. Yeah. Oh, for example, I'm gonna submit it to... And then, what we're going to do is to wait for the processing of your application. Okay, so that's it. You will wait until they accept your application, and then you will wait until they approved you. Alright, so I'm gonna update you soon when my account will be... If my account will be accepted, I'm gonna update you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.